Keeping all the length. I really like this. So I think when we bring that back to, you want to play with having some of like a little bit of a burn like that?
Yeah, I really like the pieces on the side and the front.
Cool. Then these are going to come up much shorter. That'll be fun.
This kind of layering in the back is really cool to me, and the shape like around the ears.
Correct me if I'm wrong here, but I'm seeing the ear exposure is way optional. Like you'll be able to sweep that or not.
Either would be nice.
Just want to make sure we don't do anything that you don't want to do. And the reason why I'm prefacing that is because that would be a lot more removal around that ear. It'd be real short up here to get that permanently exposed. But if you like the idea of like, cool, it's down, cool, it's back.
I think so, yeah. More so the latter, probably.
Awesome. It does, when you have that too, it does help build up, and I get to keep some of that weight down here that's in the front, which would be cool too.
Okay. Kind of like a razor cut. I think it just took maybe too much weight out, so I'm not really sure technically what was going on there, but.
Razor blade is definitely a aggressive way to go. Has its place, but on curly hair, you don't need to use a razor blade to get a vibe like that. But that razor blade, I'm assuming they did it on wet hair. So they're taking a lot out.
Right.
Probably more than they were expecting to. Doesn't sound like that's what you were looking for at the time.
Not so much, yeah. With the bleach, I think too, it was just like a little.
For sure, it adds to that breakage. And the razor is technically damaging. And I know we're gonna get a bunch of people who say the razor's not damaging if you use it right. It doesn't. There's no way that the razor blade isn't damaging, at least more so than the scissors would be, just because when you take a length of hair and you wind up kind of slicing through, it winds up leaving, a lot of hair cut in half the wrong way.
Right.
So it dries out. You get those split ends, you get that breakage a lot easier. There are some people that really, really know what they're doing with the razor blade, and they're definitely the people to see if you wanted that. But for this conversation, I won't be using a razor blade. We're going to do it all on dry hair. I have my favorite pair of scissors that I'm going to get to pull out for this, which I'm really excited for.
Sweet.
This is going to be a huge change, which I'm pumped on. Any spot that you'd be mad at me, or you want to keep literally all of it? Keep length. Any spot that you'd be mad at me, or you want to keep literally all of it? Because
do you feel like that's doable to keep it?
I can keep every last inch of that length if that's what you want. I just want to make sure I'm not leaving something that you were hoping to see moved up a little bit.
No, I think I'd like to keep it if possible.
Yeah, let's do that. I like the idea too of if we get to knock a bunch of this, it's going to bring a lot of the shape up higher. So the length is going to remain, but the bulk is going to go. Does that bum you out, or does that sound good? I want that action up here.
That sounds good. Yeah, I like the idea of like being able to see like some more shape, kind of. Yeah.
Cool.
Not necessarily like puffy, but yeah.